Alright, in this lesson we're going to be talking about bisecting an angle. What that means is that we're going to cut an angle in half, and drawing that line is the goal. Drawing that line that cuts this angle in half is our goal for today. So given any angle, every angle has a vertex, and we're always going to label everything we can. Okay, so we're going to call this angle A, and we are going to draw with our compass. And I have a safety compass here. You'll need one of those and a nice sharpened pencil. We're going to put the center of our compass on A and draw a circle that intersects both of these rays. So you get to choose that one. I'm going to use this one. Looks like my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th dot. Okay. I don't have to copy this anywhere. I just need to make sure those lines are intersecting. Okay. It doesn't matter which dot you use as long as this arc intersects these two rays. Let's label these points really quick. Call this one B and this one C. Okay. The next thing we want to do is put our center of our compass on C, and I'm just going to draw a line up to B here. Not a line, sorry, a circle. And I'm going to draw an arc out this way. And I'm going to do the same thing. If you keep an eye on that dot, I'm going to do the same thing but around B. That center on B. And if you come around, you'll see that this also intersects C over here. But draw that arc this way now. It's the same circle. This dot right here, let's call that D. And we're going to draw a line from A to D. That line right there from A to D bisects the angle BAC. So I had the angle BAC. It is now being cut in half by this line segment AD. And so what we have now is we have an angle BAD. BAD is going to be congruent to, can you guess it? Angle CAD. And the reason why I know that's true is because I have cut an angle in half. It's like cutting 4 in half. You have equal parts on both sides, 2 and 2. So we have this angle right here is congruent to this angle right here. Let's do that again with an obtuse angle. First off, I have a vertex. Let's label that. I'm going to start down at the bottom of the alphabet now, the end, Z. Place your center on Z. Pick a circle. Make sure it intersects that side and this side. Again, the important parts are this point and this point. Call this one X, this one Y. And you can choose those letters. And then we're going to draw from a center at X here. I'm just going to draw it out to Y and draw a circle this way. You can keep your pencil in there, that'd be nice. I'm going to flip this around here and put my center of my compass on that point now, so that this point should come down to X, and I'm going to draw that circle this way. And that intersects up here at this point. Okay. I'm going to call that point W. Now we just need to draw a line from Z to W. Now we have an angle here and an angle here. That is the angle bisector, and these two angles are congruent. The way we're going to write that is we're writing this angle right here. That's angle XZW. Will be congruent to YZW. Don't forget the angle symbols. Those are important because we're talking about angles. And the reason we know that these two angles are congruent is because we have constructed a bisector. That means we've cut the angle right down the middle in two. So this one must be the same as this one. Guys, and that's how you bisect an angle. Alright, hopefully this is just one more example. If you're doing good with this and you think that you can do numbers 5, 6, 7, and 8 on the worksheet here, it's just a bunch of angle bisectors. The instructions say construct the bisector of each angle. Make sure to label all your points, as always. We need to be able to do 5, 6, 7, 8. If you're having troubles with that, watch this example. If you think you can do them all right now. You don't need to do this example. Just jump right in. Number 5 here, we have a vertex here on this angle. I'm going to call that vertex A. And I'm going to draw a circle. In fact, I'm going to do a smaller circle this time. It's a little easier on here. I'm going to draw this little circle right here. Let's label some of these points. So this one B, and this one C. Okay. The next thing I need to do is draw a circle from B to C. Put that center of your compass on B, and find a circle. The closest one looks like this one's not like exact, but this one's definitely a lot closer. I'm going to draw this circle here, out this way. And now I'm going to put my center on C. Go out to B there. Make sure I get that same circle. That's good here. That one looks like it's probably going to be the closest. Come back out to here, and then make that sketch there. Okay. Again, let me show that one more time. Put your center on B. Find a circle you can draw for C. Draw that edge out there, that circle right there. Then go over to C and find a circle that you can use for that. This point here. Draw this edge out to that way. You have a new intersection point. I'm going to call that D. And now we're going to draw the line segment from A to D. Okay. So we have that this angle right here is congruent to this angle right here. And now for the notation, that's going to be angle BAD. That's this angle right here. Is congruent to this angle right here, so CAD, angle CAD. Right, that's how it's done, guys. There's 3 more problems here. You should do your best with those. If this is still kind of slowing you up or catching you off guard, go back to the video and pause. Just pause the video as it goes and take one step at a time. Do one step, pause the video, hit play. Pause the video, do that step, go back to the video, so on and so forth. Okay. Do the rest of these for 6, 7, and 8, and that will be all for this worksheet. Good luck.